How to create a solar eclipse in PowerPoint presentation in an easier way. Let's start with our presentation, and if you have not subscribed to me yet, do subscribe my channel and let's begin. Okay, go in file and select a new blank slide. Go in layout and select a blank slide. Okay, now go in insert tab, go in shapes and select a round circle. Okay, it should be of same height and width, 10.04 centimeter. Enter and set the alignment to center. Now go in shape fill, go in gradient, more gradients and gradient fill. Okay, set the first color as yellow and last two colors as orange, and transparency or positions whatever you want, and set the type as radial and set the direction from center. Okay, this much is done. Now go in shape outline, set it as no outline. Go in shape effects, set the preset to preset 4, and over here go in bevel and select this round, and shape effects in 3D rotation, set it as oblique top left. Okay, this much is done. Now go in design tab to set the background as black. Go in design tab, solid fill and set the color to black. Okay, now go in insert tab and draw another shape, another circle. Okay, another circle of the same height and width of the previous circle, and set the shape outline to no outline and shape fill to black color. Okay, and drag the shape to your right side. Okay, now go in animation tab and set it as go in more animations and go in more motion paths. Go in line curves and select left line curve and OK. Okay, now you can see there is a circle over here, red color. Just drag it to your left side. Okay, in a straight line, drag it to your left side and done. Okay, now set the start as after previous and duration for 6 seconds. 6 seconds, yeah, and go in animation pane, say come over here, and timing, set the timing. If you don't want 6 seconds, you want very slow, you can set it as 5 seconds, very slow. And repeat, you can set the repeat also over here 4 times, and rewind when done playing. Okay, it can be rewind. Okay, now go in slideshow to see the slideshow. Start from beginning, and we are done. So you can set it as more slow or whatever you want in your way. For solar eclipse, you can design it in your way, and do subscribe my channel for more computer tricks. Have a good day. Thank you.